At what location is the sun found overhead at 12 noon? A. International Dateline. B. South Pole. C. Greenwich Meridian. D. North Pole. The correct answer is C. Greenwich Meridian. Which region of India has its climate influenced by the northeast monsoon? A. Northwest India. B. Southwest India. C. Northeast India. D. Southeast India. The correct answer is D. Southeast India. At what point are the poles shown on a globe? A. As points. B. As lines. C. As circles. D. As semicircles. The correct answer is A. As points. What is Tamil Nadu's position among software exporting states in India? A. Third. B. Second. C. Fourth. D. First. The correct answer is B. Second. What types of thematic maps are classified? A. Historical and modern. B. Physical and cultural. C. Political and economic. D. Qualitative and quantitative. The correct answer is D. Qualitative and quantitative. Which plate is central to the formation of the Circum-Pacific Ring of Fire? A. North American Plate. B. Pacific Plate. C. Eurasian Plate. D. African Plate. The correct answer is B. Pacific Plate. What topic is suggested for distinguishing between Sahel and Sahara? A. Physical features. B. Economic activities. C. Mountains. D. Rivers. The correct answer is A. Physical features. What is the elevation of Mont Blanc? A. 4,807 meters. Born in 5645 m. Circa 3807 m. D. 5,000 meters. The correct answer is A. 4,807 meters. The flow of water from an unsaturated zone to a saturated zone is represented by which process? A. Evaporation. B. Percolation. C. Infiltration. D. Precipitation. The correct answer is B. Percolation. What is the movement of the Earth's lithospheric plates known as? A. Plate tectonics. B. Volcanic eruption. C. Continental drift. D. Seismic activity. The correct answer is A. Plate tectonics. Which of the following is not listed as a widely spoken language in Asia? A. Vietnamese. B. French. C. Korean. D. Hindi. The correct answer is B. French. What are standard symbols used in maps to convey a definite meaning called? A. Grid references. B. Coordinates. C. Directions. D. Conventional signs and symbols. The correct answer is D. Conventional signs and symbols. Which region of India is cotton essentially a crop of? A. Peninsular India. B. Northern India. C. Northeastern India. D. Eastern India. The correct answer is A. Peninsular India. In which districts are red soils found particularly in Tamil Nadu? A. Central districts. B. Western districts. C. Northern districts. D. Coastal districts. The correct answer is A. Central districts. Which country is explicitly mentioned in the text? A. Argentina. B. Chile. C. Brazil. D. Uruguay. The correct answer is D. Uruguay. Which celestial bodies are brighter in the night sky than Uranus? Of the Moon and Venus. B. Jupiter and Saturn. C. Mars and Jupiter. D. The Sun and the Moon. The correct answer is A. The Moon and Venus. Which of the following is listed as a form of freshwater? A. Sea ice. B. Saline lakes. C. Ocean currents. D. Or water vapor in air. The correct answer is D. Water vapor in air. What is the common term for the Mongoloid race? A. European. B. Native American. C. Asian. D. African. The correct answer is C. Asian. What is one of the features of Tamil Nadu's coastline? A. Rocky cliffs and icy shores. B. Long and sunny beaches. C. Volcanic black sand beaches. D. Swamps and marshlands. The correct answer is B. Long and sunny beaches. What were some early methods used for remote sensing? A. GPS devices. B. Satellite imagery. C. Sonar technology. D. Cameras carried by balloons and pigeons. The correct answer is D. Cameras carried by balloons and pigeons. How does the WHO suggest a healthy city involves its local government? A. Involves the community in local government. B. Excludes community involvement. C. Limits community input to specific projects. D. Relies solely on central government decisions. The correct answer is A. Involves the community in local government. What type of clothing does Yukta always wear during her vacation? A. Synthetic clothes. B. Cotton clothes. C. Silk clothes. D. Woolen clothes. The correct answer is B. Cotton clothes. Why were cattle reared on farms later? A. For hunting. B. For primary activities. C. To fulfill basic needs. D. To gather food. The correct answer is C. To fulfill basic needs. How many types of hazards are there? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is B. 3. What does site and situation refer to regarding a settlement? Are the economic activities of the settlement. B. The historical background of the settlement. C. The population density of the settlement. D. The location of the actual settlement. The correct answer is D. The location of the actual settlement. What is a characteristic of gusts and eddies? A. They can be felt but not seen. B. They are both visible and felt. C. They are visible but not felt. D. They are neither visible nor felt. The correct answer is A. They can be felt but not seen. Which rivers, originating from the western Ghats, form valleys in the region of the Nilgiris? A. Vagi, Thamirabrani, Moyar. B. Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati. C. Kaveri, Palar, Ponnayar. D. Sigur, Mysore, Madurai. The correct answer is B. Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati. What is included as a human-made hazard related to environmental damage? A. Dam failures. B. Blizzards. C. Landslides. D. Wildfires. The correct answer is A. Dam failures. Which feature is formed by the process of erosion? A. Beaches. B. All of the above. C. Stacks. D. Inselbergs. The correct answer is C. Stacks. Which of the following is listed as an important peninsula? A. Bering Strait. B. Strait of Gibraltar. C. The center of the earth. D. India. The correct answer is D. India. How did you score?